Hello learners! It's great to see you again. In this video, we will find out which objects allow electricity to flow through them. Do all objects allow electricity to flow through?
No. Only some objects allow electricity to flow through.
Teacher, how do we find out what are these objects?
Well,
Let's find out.
for this experiment, you will need a battery, a light bulb, and some electrical wires. You will also need a copper coin, a wooden ruler, and a handkerchief as our test materials for today. Before we start the experiment, we need to build our circuit using the light bulb, battery, and wires. We can use the image on the board as a guide. Let's use the copper coin as our first test material. Include the copper coin as part of the circuit by clipping a wire to two of its ends. Observe what happens to the light bulb. What did you observe? Pause the video and share your observation with your classmates.
The light bulb lit up.
Yes! This means that the copper coin allows electricity to flow through.
What if we replace the copper coin with a handkerchief?
Let's see. What did you observe? Pause the video and share your observation with your classmates.
The light bulb did not light up this time.
This means that the handkerchief does not allow electricity to flow through.
That's right. Now that we know how the experiment goes, let's go ahead and do the same for the wooden ruler. Here is the result of our experiment. Since the light bulb did not light up, the wooden ruler also does not allow electricity to flow through it. So class, what did we learn today?
The copper coin allows electricity to flow through.
Meanwhile, the wooden ruler and handkerchief does not allow electricity to flow through.
Great job on completing the video. I hope to see you soon.